Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I figured I would do a quick unboxing of this 100-pound propane tank. I bought it on Amazon and I was kind of curious myself, like how does it come? What's the condition? So this is exactly how I received it. I believe it was off of FedEx, but had this pretty big hole in it. So I was just kind of curious. I thought I'd post a full version so people could see what it looks like, what to expect. Other than that, everything was pretty sound. I did open these on the top, and then there was 4 staples in it as well. So really, it's just in a box, and then there's 2x4s on the top. So thought you might be curious. So anyway, let me put you on the tripod, and I'll show you what we got. Alright, before I throw you on the tripod, I'm going to open up this top so you can see it. And then, I mean, really, I know it's just a tank in a box, but this might be helpful to somebody. So once again, bought it on Amazon. The seller was U-Haul. You can buy them on U-Haul.com, cheaper than Amazon as well sometimes if they're not on sale. But I bought it on sale. So comes with this plug, and then this is vacuum purged, which is good. And really, I mean, it's just pieces of 2x4. So I'm gonna put you on the tripod. Cool. All right, so they just kind of stack these right in there, it looks like. That's really all it is. I noticed it's kind of, this one is pretty dusty. And then also, if you look real close, like down here, let me get it to focus here. Like down on that corner, there's rust. Even over there, there's rust. So that's kind of surprising for something that's brand new. You know, you have it on all ends. It looked like over here, which I might be able to zoom a little. Nope. The welds are not that great either, but as long as they hold up, I'm good. I don't see any physical damage. So there is one nick on the side, but let's pull it out of the box and see. Let's see what it looks like. All right, cool. So I'm gonna lay the box down, I'm gonna pull it out, and then we'll do a quick inspection on it. All right. Very good. So it's out of the box. Now that it's unboxed, we just want to make sure that we inspect it for any damage, which sorry, I was a little off here. There's a scratch here, and then you can see it rubbed here, but basically you just want to make sure like this sucker is in good sound condition on all ends, on the bottom, the top. You can see it took a few little nicks here and there. So this should be a 100-pound tank, and then basically once it's full, well, it'll hold 100 pounds of propane, and the tank is like 70 pounds. So doesn't look like anything. A little bit of rust, just small minimal stuff. When you transport these, make sure you stand them up in your truck. That's how you definitely want to transport them. Everything looks fine. I don't see any issues. So Yeah, there you go. So it's 70 pounds, so it's not too heavy. Once you do get it in your truck, you know, you can run your straps on here. You can run one through here, and but yeah, anyway, so that's how the propane tanks come. Once again, I bought mine on Amazon, bought it from U-Haul on Amazon. They had a sale. It was much cheaper than in town, so I will go ahead and link that in the description of this. And also, just for a follow-up, I am going to be running this into this compartment here. So these are my 40-pound tanks. So I'm going to take basically just take one of these off, and I'm going to run a propane line to this, and then I can set this over here just for backup, and I'll have those too. So but yeah, other than that, if you want to see that follow-up, I'll be posting that within a couple of weeks of this video, so probably 1 to 2 weeks of this one posting. So stay tuned. Make sure you drop me down a comment if you have any questions, like the video, and subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you.